Bum ba dum bum ba 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 ba. What is up, everybody? Want to give you guys a demonstration of the world's most trained, battery compartment of the Lionel G-gauge Polar Express battery operator. Alright guys, I got out of the box right there. And we're gonna go ahead and get the locomotive out. Not great. Oh yeah, I got this from like a couple years ago from Christmas. Dang it, more track came out. Well, I got this from Christmas and it's pretty awesome. And I loved how it did. In fact, there will be a demonstration with the Lion Chief Ready to Run Polar Express because I got that for my birthday. So, got all the track out, and here's the remote controller. Now this is a pretty good controller, and I love it. So. I love it. So, hang on, I'll be right back in a few minutes.
A few moments later.
Sorry about that, guys. So here it is. The train's all set up. I'm gonna go ahead and power it up. So let me set my phone, roll my camera down, and we'll be ready to go. Hang on. Here it is. Voila, the train is now in motion. So now we can turn on the remote control and let's hit the bell. Sorry about that. Whistle. Now a good sound effects. And including, check this out.
All aboard! This is the Polar Express!
That's pretty good. So now I'm gonna do something that I never done before. So I'm gonna put this one right here, and I'm gonna try to run it very slowly. Sorry about that.
6.5 hours later.
Alright guys, sorry about the technical difficulties. But hey, anyway, let's run my train again. And I'm not sure my phone's supposed to fit to one of the connectors to the passenger coaches. But for now on, let's just run my train and just like to do like this and just like that. Alright, so here it is. Here we go. Wait. Whoops. Hold on. Sorry about that, guys. Alright. Okay. Here we go again. First try. Now here it is. And look at this. Pretty cool. Here's a low speed. Here's a higher speed. Well, that's the low speed. Look, here's a higher speed. And here it runs around the train. Okay. And while the train is slowing down to a complete stop. And now here's the reverse. Now here's reverse. Reverse. Alright guys, so that thing wraps up. So for real quick, I'd like to give this video to GWR3 for making this whole video possible. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and have a nice, wonderful Christmas break.